Technology is an amazing tool, and it's basically part of everything we do. We use it for school, for fun, for friends. But does it always feel balanced? Because, too much of any good thing can start to throw you off. And that's where responsible technology use comes in. It's about you being in control. Okay, so let's think of this whole thing like a balance scale. On one side, you've got all your device time. On the other, time management. If that scale tips too far towards devices, you might start feeling the effects. And what holds this whole balance together? The foundation, safety, and privacy. Basically, it's all about protecting yourself and your personal info online. Think of it as your shield in the digital world. Super, super important. So let's dive into 4 key habits that help keep everything in balance. First up, habit number 1, taking regular screen breaks. Your eyes will thank you. A really easy way to do this is the simple 20-20-20 rule. These breaks also give your brain a chance to just rest and reset. Okay, habit number 2 is all about managing your privacy settings. These are so powerful because you decide who gets to see your information. Just taking a few minutes to check these settings makes a huge difference. Moving on to habit number 3, keeping up with those software updates. They're not just about new features, they're critical security fixes to keep you safe. So don't put them off. Installing them right away keeps your device secure. And finally, our 4th habit, practice respectful behavior online. It's so easy to forget, but there is a real person behind every single screen. Just being kind online really does make the internet a better place for everyone. So when you bring all these habits together, everything just clicks into place. Your balanced habits create a positive experience. It's about using the tool wisely.